Hey everyone, we are here at Kitchen Kettle Village and we are going to be visiting Aged and Cured, which is an amazing cheese and meat shop, and they've just done an expansion, so I thought we would just go in and check out the new area in here. And here is just a look when you walk in, and oh my gosh, it feels amazing. It is so cool. So right when you walk in, you have some Lancaster County beef jerky, locally made bourbon jerky, applewood smoked, black pepper, smoke and lava. These all sound good. Pennsylvania maple syrup samples you can get right there, and there's tons of them. This table has Whitley's nuts, Virginia nuts, peanuts, cashews. This section is snack sticks. Let's check this area out. Honey barbecue snack sticks, that sounds amazing. $7.99. Here's some bacon and cheddar. Hot honey pork sticks. Traditional beef sticks. And then down here they have sweet and spicy beef sticks, and they come in this like cute little bag. Sweet, all kinds. Jalapeno cheese, summer sausage. Some of the things I haven't even heard of. Kitchen Kettle double smoked sweet bologna. Sliced bologna in all flavors. Chipotle Lebanon bologna, original. And then all kinds of sausages, yum, and kielbasa. Bratwurst, smoked jalapeno and cheddar. Here's more sweet bologna snack sticks, apple maple snack sticks. Lots of good stuff. Uncured duck prosciutto. Oh, poor little duckies. I love ducks. I could never eat anything with duck. Blue salami. That sounds pretty good. And then over here they have all these cool bacon things. Multi-use standalone bacon cooker, bacon ketchup. That's awesome. My husband would love that. Bacon. This container holds bacon grease. And then over here they have all kinds of Pennsylvania maple syrups. Bourbon. These are all, wow, this is crazy. I never heard of all of these kinds of maple syrup. Rye whiskey barrel, bourbon barrels, ginger infused, coffee bean, chipotle pepper, chai, cinnamon vanilla, it goes on and on. Signature pancake mix. So these 2-ounce bottles are $7.99. So if you wanted to try one, instead of buying a big bottle, you can try like a smaller size. Let's check out over here. Over here are a ton of hot sauces. Buy 4, get 1 free. And they're $2.99 each. So if you like hot sauce, they have a ton of them. They have Kickin' Original, roasted garlic, Carolina Reaper, chili lime, ghost pepper, scorpion, Cajun, all kinds of good hot sauces. Here's just tons more hot sauces, all kinds of flavor. And then they have, mild, medium hot, hot. Good stuff. Carolina Reaper hot sauce. Habanero. Over here they have lots of wonderful cheeses. Here's some meat and cheese cubes that are already pre-made, perfect for like snacking. And then they have horseradish, bread cheese. I never heard of bread cheese. I guess, is that just like the kind that you melt? I'm assuming. I've never seen it in a store, I guess, put it that way. Aged Parmesan, buffalo wing, Italian. Amish butter cheese cubes, yum. Farmer's cheese, that's like my ultimate favorite cheese ever. Blueberry cheddar. Amish, here's more Amish butter, lots of Amish butter cheese. That must be popular. String cheese. Over here, they have some different, this is wasabi cheddar. Huh. And then here's some killer dill cheese. All kinds of good hummus, cheese spreads. Here's another section of cheese. This is all horseradish in this section. And then smoked horseradish, Gouda cheese. I have my reading glasses today actually, so I can actually read. Truffle cheddar. All kinds of good. White Stilton with mango and ginger. That sounds pretty good. Gouda with lavender. Really cool cheeses here. The Drunken Goat, semi-firm goat cheese, bathed in red wine. Fat Tire ale, aged cheddar. Brie. All kinds of good stuff. Sometimes over here they have some samples and demonstrations. And then over here you have all kinds of dressings and sauces. Jams, apple maple, bacon jam, hot pepper bacon jam, balsamic onion jam, all kinds of good stuff. And then this is for grill and wine squeeze bottles. And you can ask for samples. And these are all their different sauces. Aioli, hot sauce, horseradish, onion blossom horseradish dip, and then they have some crackers to go with this too. Banana pepper sauce. Miller's banana peppered sauce. $8.99 for that. Over in this refrigerated area, they have Amish country butter, salted and unsalted, and then they have all kinds of butters. Herb butter, honey butter, truffle butter, garlic, shallot butter, all kinds of yummy butters. Goat cheeses, lavender, cranberry. And then here's some cheese that's familiar to me, September Farms, and they have amazing cheeses. Linden Dale Farm, so they have all kinds of really good local foods here, cheeses and meats. Over here they sell some birch beer, spicy olive bruschetta, and you can get a sample of that too. Mediterranean olive bruschetta. Let's see what's over here. It was kind of busy over here. I wanted to check this section out. Let's see, wine jelly, Chardonnay, lemon, and rosemary. Zinfandel. This one's spicy. Cabernet, cherry, and peppercorn. Interesting. And then some cheese slicers, honey. Little cutting boards to serve your cheese and meats and crackers. Truffle honey, all kinds of good stuff. There's a cute cutting board, $42. That's a really pretty cutting board. Almonds, fried almonds. Super cute stuff. Here's some more slicers for meats and cheeses, and cheese graters, marble cheese slicer, all kinds of accessories. Some spice blends, corn on the cob seasoning, that looks pretty good, and some corn on the cob holders, beer bread, dip mixes, more nuts, barbecue sauce. Yum, that looks good. Actually, like I'm craving like pulled pork or something being in here. I think it's from smelling all the meat products is making me crave pulled pork sandwich and a beer. Jack Daniel's coffee, sniff jar. Hopefully the people hold their noses away from it, right? Barbecue seasonings, beer candy, all kinds of good barbecue stuff. Coffees. Excellent, really good stuff here. Here's some salsas and chips. All right, let's see what's in this refrigerated area. Oh, pickles. This is the pickle section. Chill dill pickle. Lots of pickles. Garlic dill pickle chips. Candy pickle chips. Devil Dave's pickle crack. Pickle house sauce. All kinds of pickle sauces. Hot and spicy ones. Horseradish. Garlic herbs. Lots of cooler bags and ice packs are available. So that's good to know because, you know, so many times I don't have a cooler. So if you buy something, you can grab a ice pack. And I know the other place I was at, they also had ice available. So that's good to know. They do have ice packs here. Add ice pack to keep items chilled for 12 hours. Cooler bags are $2.99. Ice packs are $1. So that's very good to know. What is this stuff? Provolone, Chianti provolone spread, beer cheddar spread, lots of good things. Here's some meats and cheeses already cut up for you, ready to enjoy. You just need a little bit of crackers. Here's some pepperoni and mozzarella, yummo. That looks great. Goat cheese black truffle dip. And you can't have cheese and all this stuff without some pretzels. So here's some sourdough pretzels, some wheat thins, mustard, honey mustard dipping sauce. And then these are cool. These are all pretzels, crazy flavored pretzels. Dill, pickles, ranch, garlic herb. I guess they're not so crazy. Mom's original recipe, garlic and herb. Honey mustard pretzels, cheddar bacon, yum. All kinds of cheese dips and more regular chips, cheese sauces, buy 3, get 1 free tortillas. And then lots of snack crackers and all kinds of flavors. Dill pickle, garlic parmesan. And then here's Crostini's. All kinds of good crackers. Cheese balls. I've been craving cheese balls. I just told my husband that. That's so weird that there's cheese balls here. I'm not buying them though. Hangover pretzels. Uh-oh, I hope you don't need them. And then here's some more nuts, crackers, all kinds of good stuff. Oh, Uncle Leroy's peanut brittle. Stupid hot fried pork rinds. This is the checkout area. All kinds of good stuff. They also have all these neat popcorns. S'mores popcorn, Mr. Pickle, spicy taco, birthday cake. Kids would probably love these. So all kinds of good snacks. And then here is another section of Walnut Creek popcorn. This is more up my alley. I like toffee almond crunch, sweet and salty crunchy, more of the traditional flavors of popcorn. Chips and crackers, caramel, puff corn, good stuff. And then I wanted to go to the jerky section because they have some really cool jerkies. So they have some regular jerky and then they also have some soy jerky, raspberry heat, blueberry cashew, cranberry pecan. And then here's some soy jerky, maple bacon, loaded nacho, 5 spice, General Tso's jerky, Jamaican jerk, Kentucky future chicken part 2. I don't really know what that means, but it sounds cool. Bacon, and then they have the regular bacon jerky, you know, all the regular ones, maple candied bacon. So they have some cool jerkies. So what a fun store this is, and it just looks great. The new addition is awesome. It just makes it more spacious and fun to walk around. That was fun. The people here are so adorable and sweet, so definitely stop in here. You'll have a blast, and there's tons of samples. So thank you guys so much for joining us. This was a great visit to Aged and Cured. The new addition is amazing. So if you're in Kitchen Kettle Village, definitely stop in and check out the new digs. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Have a great day, everybody.